Hello everybody. I hope you are enjoying your e-learning days and getting a lot out of them. Today what we're going to talk about is writing polynomials when you're given the roots to start with. Polynomials when given roots. Remember, another word for roots is zeros or solutions or x-intercepts. All of those words will mean the same thing. So to kind of recap, what we've been going through a lot is we've talked a lot about factoring. So we've done traditional trinomials, we've done factoring by grouping, we've done trinomials that aren't quadratics but act like quadratics. And what we've done with after we factored is we solved a lot of those for the zeros or the roots. Now what we're going to do is go backwards. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the solutions or the roots. So we're going to start with the roots and then we're going to go backwards and rewrite the polynomial. So then we're going to write the polynomial. So let's say we start with, let's say you're given some roots, x equals a, b, c, and this could go on forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by writing x minus a, and then we'll multiply that by x minus b, and then we'll multiply that by x minus c, and then we'll keep multiplying that until you have used all of your roots. Now this isn't necessarily meaning we're going to have 3 or only 3. This is just an example here to kind of show how you do it. And remember this minus sign here. Whenever you solve this back out, remember you would have to add this over. That's how you're going to get that sign to be corrected. So we always have to do the opposite in this case. So let's go ahead and show a quick example, and then I will have some example problems for you guys to work on for your e-learning assignment. So let's say we're given x equals 2, -3, and 4. So the first step is you're going to write x minus 2. And remember, the opposite of a negative here is going to be a plus. So we're going to have x plus 3. And then we're going to have x minus 4 at the end. Now let's just take these first two here and multiply them. So this would be your typical FOIL method. So we're going to have x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. All of that will be multiplied by x minus 4. Let's combine these terms in here. So that'll be x squared plus x minus 6 times x minus 4. And then what we will want to do is distribute all of these terms to the x and the minus 4 here. So I'll switch pages and I will copy this last line back over, and then we'll finish up this problem. So we're going to have x squared plus x minus 6, and then we will have x minus 4. So what you can do is just show the distribution here with arrows, and you can have that, and then this one, and then this last one. The arrows get kind of messy, so if you like it that way, that's great. Otherwise, you can do like your box method or the punnet method, where you actually set up the boxes and then fill in all the empty squares. So let's see here. X squared times x is going to be x to the third. Don't forget When you multiply the same base, you're going to add the powers. Next, you're going to have x squared times negative 4, which is going to be minus 4x squared. Then we're going to have x times x, which is going to be a plus x squared. X times negative 4, that is a negative 4x. Lastly, negative 6 times x is a minus 6x. And then a negative 6 times a negative 4. Double negative here is going to turn that into a positive 24. And then what we notice here is we have these two terms and these two terms that are like. So x cubed, negative 4 and positive 1, that should be negative 3. Negative 4 and negative 6, that should be minus 10. And then at the end you have that plus 24. So what we've done here is written a polynomial that will actually have the roots of 2, negative 3, 4. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me throughout the day. Also, I am definitely able to do a live chat through Canvas. So if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. Send me an email, send me a message on Canvas. Get a hold of me if you would like me to go through some more stuff at a time, sometime tomorrow between 9 and 3. And I can set that up once I get more feedback. So I hope you guys have a great day. Stay in, be warm, and I will talk to you later.